Hello, Maurice Beinat, Technical Director at EcoMaster. Today we're going to have a look at cutting polyester batts. Now, as you're probably aware, when these are made, all the fibres are aligned in one way, so it's pretty easy to tear along that way, but almost impossible to tear the other way. So that's why we've got a special way to cut them. The way to cut them is with an angle grinder fitted with a really thin 1mm thick cut-off blade. Now, if you've got a 9-inch grinder, you'll be able to go through a wall bat in one go. We've got a little 5-inch grinder to work with today, so a slightly different technique, which I'm going to show you now. The first thing is to score along where you're going to make the cut, and then we're just going to plunge through the bat in order to make the total cut. And there you have it. The next thing we're going to take a look at is making a cutout for a power point. So here we've marked where we're going to have where the power point is, and we want to cut that out so that when the electrician fits off, he's not going to put a screw into the bat and he's got space to push the wires back into the wall. And this part we can just tear out, and there we have the cutout.